Wondering which submersible water pump brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your submersible water pump purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Impex submersible water pump brand faces quality issue. Second, Tide Ribbon submersible water pump brand grapples with poor quality. Third, TechX submersible water pump brand encounters quality issue. Fourth, Rishri submersible water pump brand confronts poor quality. And fifth, Indo submersible water pump brand suffers from low quality, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended submersible water pump brands, including first one, amiciTools submersible water pump, second, Fedis submersible water pump, third, Axmon submersible water pump, and fourth, Elove submersible water pump. Let's see the comparison. Check the pump's power. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. amiciTools submersible water pump stands out with its impressive power output of 55 watts, providing reliable performance for demanding tasks. Fedis, Axmon, and Elove submersible water pump offer competitive outputs of 40 watts each, ensuring efficient operation across a range of applications. Verify the operating voltage. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The voltage requirements remain consistent across all 4 submersible water pump brands, falling within the range of 220 to 240 volts. This uniformity ensures seamless integration with standard electrical systems, offering users peace of mind and hassle-free operation in various settings. Look for maximum flow capacity. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The maximum flow rate for amiciTools submersible water pump reaches 1500 liters per hour, while Fedis, Axmon, and Elove submersible water pumps surpass it with a flow rate of 3200 liters per hour each, providing enhanced efficiency and performance across a diverse range of pumping tasks. As is the maximum lift. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. amiciTools submersible water pump leads the pack with an impressive maximum lifting height of 3.5 meters, outperforming Fedis submersible water pump at 2.6 meters, Axmon submersible water pump at 2.1 meters, and Elove submersible water pump at 2.8 meters. Consider noise levels. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The noise level of amiciTools and Fedis submersible water pump is rated as low, while Axmon and Elove submersible water pump are classified as having a high noise level, offering users a quieter operation with amiciTools and Fedis compared to Axmon and Elove. Know where it's made. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. All 4 submersible water pumps proudly bear the label, Made in India, reflecting a steadfast dedication to promoting local manufacturing and upholding the highest standards of quality craftsmanship. Note the cable length. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The wire length for amiciTools submersible water pump is 2 meters, while Fedis submersible water pump slightly longer wires at 2.5 meters and Axmon submersible water pump is 2 meters and Elove submersible water pump offer slightly longer wires at 2.5 meters each, providing users with adequate flexibility and convenience for installation and placement. Check maintenance needs. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. Maintenance for amiciTools and Fedis submersible water pump is characterized by its simplicity, with easy-to-follow procedures that streamline upkeep tasks. However, Axmon and Elove submersible water pump present a different scenario, necessitating more intensive maintenance efforts due to their higher demands. Consider the pump's weight. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The weight of amiciTools submersible water pump is 900 grams, slightly heavier than Fedis submersible water pump at 750 grams and Axmon submersible water pump at 730 grams, while Elove submersible water pump stands out as the lightest option at 400 grams, offering users a range of choices to suit their portability needs. Identify the motor type. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The utilization of copper-wired motors in all submersible water pumps signifies a commitment to superior quality and durability. Copper wiring is renowned for its exceptional conductivity and resistance to corrosion, guaranteeing reliable performance and longevity for each pump. Look for deals and discounts. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. amiciTools submersible water pump offers a 22% discount on the MRP, while FedEx submersible water pump provides a 35% discount, and Axmon submersible water pump discounts of 52% and Elove submersible water pump offer even greater savings within 50% respectively, allowing customers to make substantial savings on their purchases. Seek high ratings. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. Amazon's top-rated products boast stellar performance, with amiciTools submersible water pump leading the pack at 3089 ratings, followed closely by FedEx submersible water pump with 665 ratings, Axmon submersible water pump with 709 ratings, and Elove submersible water pump with 156 ratings, all earning an impressive above 4.4-star rating. Assess construction quality. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. amiciTools, FedEx, and Axmon submersible water pump have earned them accolades for their outstanding build quality, setting a high standard in the market. Elove submersible water pump still maintains a commendable level of good build quality. Check warranty details. Let me see the comparison of each submersible water pump brands. The warranty terms vary among products, with amiciTools submersible water pump offering a generous coverage of 2 years, while FedEx and Axmon submersible water pump provide a shorter but still respectable 6 months. Conversely, Elove submersible water pump offers a rapid 10-day replacement policy, ensuring swift resolution for any potential issues. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 submersible water pump brands. These 4 submersible water pumps boast a high-quality ABS plastic build, ensuring durability and reliability. Each pump comes equipped with thermal protection, safeguarding against overheating and prolonging the lifespan of the unit. Ideal for creating small waterfalls and fountains, these pumps add a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. Efficiently remove water from flooded basements, providing quick relief in emergency situations. Versatile enough for residential, agricultural, or industrial use, these pumps adapt to various applications with ease. From fields to gardens, these pumps excel in delivering water wherever it's needed, ensuring optimal growth and hydration. Recognized as the most-selling submersible water pump brand online, these pumps have garnered trust and popularity among customers. Perfect for aquarium filtration systems, these pumps maintain a clean and healthy aquatic environment for fish and plants. Effortlessly transfer water between tanks and reservoirs, streamlining irrigation and storage processes. Play a crucial role in wastewater management, efficiently moving water to treatment facilities for proper disposal. Capitalize on water flooding techniques to enhance oil production, optimizing extraction processes in the petroleum industry. Facilitate agricultural drainage systems, preventing waterlogging and ensuring optimal soil conditions for crop growth. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. amiciTools submersible water pump holds strong 4.5-star rating, and FedEx submersible water pump holds strong 4.5-star rating. Axmon submersible water pump holds a strong 4.5-star rating, and Elove submersible water pump has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Before purchasing a submersible water pump, it's essential to assess critical factors such as its maximum water flow rate, lifting height capacity, maintenance requirements, build quality, and warranty coverage. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived. Choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.